Hi, this is Mike from Sophia Institute for Teachers. In this video, you'll continue to learn about the different parts of a Spirit of Truth lesson plan. This video is part of a series to help you get the most out of your new textbooks. Please take a few minutes to watch them all. Every lesson in Spirit of Truth contains a warm-up, an activity, and a formative assessment. Let's take a look at each of those parts in more detail. The warm-ups for each day are meant to hook students' interest and get them intrigued and engaged. Warm-ups also send the message that what is about to happen in religion class is something different than what was happening a few minutes ago in English, PE, or even lunch. Warm-ups often begin with an activity that draws from your students' experiences. This helps you meet students where they are and invite them to first reflect on their own knowledge and experience before drawing out new learning. Warm-ups include sacred art reflections, popular culture references, videos and music, opening prayers and meditations, and whole group and small group sharing. Nearly every lesson begins with something different. The activities are the main part of the lesson, where most of the content is delivered. Activities use a wide variety of teaching strategies, including direct instruction, group work, reading and analysis, arts and crafts, and role plays. Here, you can see how this activity gives you specific content to teach your students. All instances of direct instruction in our curriculum are highlighted for easy recognition. You can follow the mini lectures exactly as they're written, or you can use them as background information to put into your own words. Not only does the teacher's guide provide you with direct instruction, but it also gives you all of the instruction you need to present an interactive activity. You'll find suggested questions to help you get the ball rolling on an engaging class discussion. Anytime there is group work, we give you the suggested group size and any needed directions for how to arrange your classroom. All arts and crafts activities have detailed instructions and diagrams. Literally everything you need is at your fingertips. Often, activities will have students complete a worksheet from the student workbook. At the end of each lesson in the teacher's guide, you'll find all of the student workbook pages reproduced for easy access, along with an answer key. All student workbook pages are perforated so you can send worksheets home for homework or for parent review. Formative assessments, or wrap-ups, conclude each day. These are great opportunities for students to pause and reflect in order to internalize new learning, and for you to take the pulse of the class and gauge student progress. Like the warm-ups and activities, the formative assessments come in many varieties, including personal reflections, exit slips, quizzes, journals, and prayer opportunities. The formative assessments are different from more formal summative assessments in a traditional matching, true-false, and multiple-choice format. These types of tests are available for you to download online on our online resource library in Word document and Google Forms formats. That way, you can use them as they are or adapt the tests however you'd like. We'll talk more about the tests in another video. Remember that Spirit of Truth is meant to be adaptable. Each day is broken up into these three parts to make it easy for you to make it your own. You should feel free to spend an entire class period on a single warm-up, or extend an activity over 2 days if your students are engaged and good, high-quality learning is occurring. You can even swap out an activity for one you've used for years, or mix and match the warm-up from one day with an activity from another. The sky's the limit when using your own creativity and teacher instinct. Thanks for watching. Be sure to watch the next video, which will focus on the student workbooks.